There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want.
Heading out to Maine for 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks. And I'm gonna be on a business trip, be there working. I'm helping Landscape Supply Center, doing some landscaping. And then, where's the zip level here? Let me take the zip level. And then yeah, we'll be working and making some money, and then family's gonna fly out July 3rd. Enjoy the July 4th with us up in Maine. We've got a lake house that David and them rented, so we're staying there and gonna enjoy the time down at the lake house. So yeah, yep. I'm gonna have fun, boys. It's gonna be like a day and a few hour drive. So 24, so about 30 some hours of drive time. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be fun. Hopefully we get a lot of work done. Rain stays away. So there's my zip level. Gotta get the key. Taking the zip level with, because man, it is nice this morning. I gotta grab some dollars, some money. I gotta grab some money and some dollar bills and change. I know going to the East Coast, there's gonna be tolls, road tolls, everywhere. So make sure I'm prepared. Oh, we got this in here. I'll bring that with. Zip level. Here's the zip level. Right there. I couldn't live without that zip level. This thing's made us so much money. Saved us time. It's handy. It's a handy tool. It's a must-to go to. Guys, we are here finally in Chicago. It's Chicago, right? With Cruz.
What's up, guys?
Cruz?
What's going on?
Yeah, I know Cruz. What's the company?
Chicago Brick Paving, guys.
There you go.
Right here. You can see on the machine.
Right there. So we're here. He's gonna show me his tires, new tires on his truck. What are they? 18s?
Yes, 18-inch wheels.
Stock wheels. Yeah. Makes it look real nice too. Yeah. There, boys. Landscaping in Chicago. So I was on my way to Maine, and I figured, hey, we're gonna drive by Chicago. We might as well stop and visit Cruz, see what he's up to. Take you guys to the back here, show you what he's working with. You use Unilock a lot, right?
Yeah, that's what we use.
Okay.
Unilock.
It does look clean, those Unilock blocks.
Yeah.
And pavers. It's like it looks high class. Look at this, boys.
We still have the mass. We're still working on putting the landscape down and all that.
Okay. You're gonna get stung, man.
Cállate, cabrón, cállate.
Did they pay for the spray?
No, I have to pay for that. I don't want to fix them again.
Alright, what do we got, Cruz, here? What are we looking at back here?
Well, we got a fire pit, the lineal wall with like the black accent on. You can kind of see. I mean, we have like a square patio, so we did a square fire pit here, so looks good.
Oh yeah.
We got some black accent on it. See, we're using the new concrete thing for the edge, you know.
What's it called, that concrete?
Perma edge.
Edge? So it eliminates that black?
Yeah, so you don't have to do the edging with the spikes. The reason I did it just because I have a lot of slope.
Yeah.
I'm afraid the edging and the spikes will gonna move or something. I see some papers that are up and down, but once you compact it, they're gonna be nice and flat.
Yep.
And we use the polymeric sand. I have my sand, that's like a special sand, so we kind of sweep it, get it through the joints, and then we compact it.
There's no denying what we got.
We'll
I see you, man.
We'll
I see
see you
you.
at GIE. Yeah.
All right, guys.
right,
Talk to you guys later.
You guys check him out on YouTube. I'll put a link down below in the description. Check you out and stuff. Go subscribe to his channel. He does good work, man, in Chicago. And then he'll be going to GIE with us since in October. So, yeah.
All right, guys.
All right.
See you guys.
Later, man. We'll see you guys. Good work. All right. Cruz and his team is doing just killing it. Now I gotta drive about 7 more hours, you guys, and then I'm gonna take a break and then continue my quest to Maine. So yeah, I'm gonna hit traffic, I think. Chicago rush hour.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no.
Good morning, guys. We are in Maine, back to Harmon, Maine. Staying with David and his family. This morning we're gonna head to the shop. I'm here because we're gonna do a few projects together, and Amy and the kids are flying in July 3rd and staying for the 4th of July, hanging out with David and his family. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Work and vacation, so couldn't get any better. So that's what we're doing. I'm waiting on David right now, and once he gets out, we're gonna head to the shop. So we got a lot of landscaping projects, you guys, lined up. We're gonna help them with, and the guys are down in Jackson, my guys, and they're knocking out their projects down there. So it's nice to be able to have a crew that you can trust and take care of business while I'm handling business up here. So yeah.
Hey, where the dead bird is.
Yeah, where is it?
Yeah,
I hit a bird.
touch it though.
I hit a bird? Oh yeah, I did. Look at that dead bird.
What are these lights right here? These lights.
Strobe lights.
Oh, so you can see?
Mm-hmm.
They probably took
When
them.
we're plowing it.
Wait,
when we do
did you
plowing.
like take that out and put them in and then put them back in? Do your other friends have them?
Mm-hmm.
I have them on all the trucks.
Yeah, what's this for?
Plow. Dad has that.
Yeah.
Wait, you have a boss plate?
Yep.
What? Wait, my dad has one. But
yeah.
he has the EX on his. I bet you bought this in November. You
Yeah.
probably could put the EX.
Look at that bird though.
You could probably put the EX on. Are you supposed to touch it?
No.
It'll get you a bird disease.
Yep.
Same tires as my dad.
Mm-hmm.
But this is Dad!
Alright.
I'll show you where the dead bird is. I'll show you where it is. It's right here. He has black ones and they have sunny.
They should come and help us. Landscape.
These guys?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, I know. They gotta go on freaking vacation now. That right now?
That just comes right out. We're gonna tear that out. This first. Take the tar out. That's easy, dude.
Hey, where were we
tar
going?
out.
Was it right here?
Right here. It's gonna come out. He was gonna leave
Us.
like a 5 foot, 4 feet.
Where
or
were
5
we
feet.
stopping on
Yep.
the turn? Right here?
Yeah, right here.
Alright. We'll be. That's how quick they are.
Yeah.
I called, what, 2 hours ago?
Okay.
Brewer Water District. So it looks like it goes into the house over
Yeah,
there.
it curves in the back.
So we don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
That's gas. Yeah, we were going to put prep his flower
Yep.
bed, right? With the soil. And
Yep.
then he was on his own with the
Yeah,
plantings.
he's on planting. Yep. And then I think our walkway's gonna come out over here. Curve into. So.
Overgrown mess is
Yeah.
what that is.
All right, that's the first project. We got all the materials all ordered and ready to be delivered. So. All right, what are we doing, David?
We're getting ready to just Harley Rake this front lawn.
Okay.
And he's got a little bit out back. Shouldn't take
We're
too
just
long.
doing the Harley Rake.
Yeah.
Seeding.
Yeah. I don't know.
He's
Troy
doing
said he was going to do the seed and whatever. We'll help him with whatever he needs. And something quick, you know. He asked for
Yeah.
to run right out here and get it done, and I did. So.
So we got the Harley Rake and.
Oh yeah, we're gonna just hook it up right now and soon
Levels
enough.
it, right?
What's that?
Levels it.
Yeah.
Crushes it.
Yeah, it makes it all ready for seed. Makes it loosens up the soil a little too. It's nice, you know.
Does that run the pin too? Run with the pin or just hydraulics?
It's just hydraulics.
I washed the window up for
Oh, you did?
Neighbor, I think, must have used it.
Yeah, they're crazy, man.
Neighbor must have used it over at Billy's to move all that dirt.
Yep. All right.
I'll show you what we're gonna do.
Okay. Stuff the root. It looks like clay though.
That's dirt.
Topsoil.
Huh? That's topsoil?
It's hard, man.
Holy.
You can see, but it was soaked when I put it down.
Yeah.
Just you can see where I.
Oh yeah, I'll blend that
the,
right now.
The back part there is all the dirt we took out.
Any
taken out
septic
of
in
the-
here?
Don't have to worry about a thing.
Oh, nice.
Piece of.
Do you want it right up against the foundation?
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no.
Looks good. Looks good.
What you think?
Oh man.
That's
Mate.
kind of confined out front. If this trailer wasn't here.
Right. Big difference.
Yeah, I can normally, but you see,
It was packed when we came.
it's all loose now.
Yeah, all loose and level, graded.
It's a weird loam, man. It's like a sandy clay or something.
I mean, where they got it. You know,
I don't even know. Oh, I probably run into him before.
yeah, I'm sure he's dead. He came up the other day and there was a guy at home and said, Kirk said, you have a guy that's going to...
That's weird.
Yeah, I said, yeah, I can. Why? So Joe's got some. I said, Kirk, have Joe bring it right up.
Yeah, that way if there's any issues.
Yeah, topsoil. Black. Ours is black.
You got black there where you're from.
Yeah. We're not used to this stuff.
No, it's good job.
Yeah? Yeah, she does a good job.
Love doing everything up.
Hoping they were going to plant some flowers for that.
Yeah, I mean,
This was supposed to all come in. Like every year it comes in, and normally it'd be big, beautiful tiger grass.
yeah, it's like a decorative grass.
Yeah.
It looks like it
Coming
took
up
hell
there.
this winter.
Yeah. He does
Um,
look good.
Like, you have a Spanish, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you're gonna come out this way anyway to fix up some grass, might as well bring a couple more loads in and just fix it up right.
Does she buy anything from us?
Alright guys, so we came back and touched up this property.
When she plants, you wait till you see it's gonna be great.
Dave, Harley raked all that, seeded. We just came back since it
No,
rained.
I'm giving you what I need to
Backfill
pay
that.
you.
So.
Literally, you gotta understand, I
So.
hate owing people. It is my biggest pet peeve.
Yeah, I know.
And especially people that have done the work you did. And you work,
Yeah.
you need help.